Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Arif Alfian. I am from Skill 4 and this is my answer of the medium test. Okay, for question number 1. Why public speaking is important? I think there are 3 reasons why public speaking is important. For number 1, public speaking can increase our self-confidence. Yeah. And number 2, public speaking can make us comfortable around the people. And number 3, or the last, public speaking can improve about our knowledge. And then question number 2, mention and explain 3 stages of preparing your presentations. Okay, number 1 is planning the presentation. Number 2, preparing the content of your presentation. And number 3, practicing and delivering. For number 1, planning your presentation. You can make a plan for your presentation, like analyze the audience. You can learn to whom you will be speaking, and then you can choose the topic that interesting, and then define the objective of your presentations. And if you're done with that, you can next to number 2, preparing the content of your presentations. For the first, you can make the body. After you make the objective of your presentation, you can determine the material that you will be speaking, and depend on the time that you allot to speaking. And after that, you can make the introduction and conclusions. You may make some explain how you open your presentation and finish your presentations. And for the last, practicing and delivering. You can more practice your presentation. Practice makes perfect. So you can do your presentation perfectly. And then number 3, question number 3. This is about the presentation about bullying. Okay. My stomach hurts and I have headaches every day. The boys are spreading rumors and selling secrets, and it just doesn't feel right to me. Is there something wrong with me? Or am I really what they say I am? Could I be a victim of bullying? As you may have noticed, my speech is about bullying, so let's get started. A very good afternoon to my respected lecturers and my charming beautiful friends. Before that, let me introduce myself. I'm Ahmad Arif Alfian from class 4. Okay, so have you ever been bullied? Has it happened to your peers, or have you just seen or heard about it on TV? No matter. Many people have different opinions on what bullying is. All of that are correct, as there are different ways you can be bullied. However, the real definition followed by is anything that a person does on purpose to upset or hurt another person. To be honest, bullying is just like a disease because you don't make it happen, and it does not just go away overnight. Bullying even makes you feel like you are sick or something is wrong with you. However, this is not true at all. It is not your fault if you get bullied. Did you know that 900,000 children get bullied every day in Canada out of 5.2 million students? That means that 1 out of 5 students get bullied every day. And people say that Canadians are too nice to be bullies. Many people are unaware of the bullying that happens around them. That just show how bad it is. Bullying is just a stage, a normal part of life. However, fact is bullying is not a normal or socially acceptable behavior. We give bullies power by our acceptance of this behavior. Statistics show that there are 6 different types of bullying: physical, verbal, indirect, social alienations, intimidations, and last but not least, cyberbullying. Verbal bullying is the most common because it is not as easily noticed as physical is. Talk about how horrible this is. Think if you were the target of the person that got bullied. Bullies bully because it makes them feel better than everyone else. Also, they do it because they have been bullied at some point in life and feel like they need revenge. Some people that have been bullied all their life decide to live their own life because they don't appreciate it and commit suicide. Suicide, that's so out of hand this can get. Bullying is that serious. You may think now, how can you stop bullying when you can barely see it happening? I mean, how are you supposed to put an end to it when it goes on? The best way for you to make a start is to talk to your friends and have a discussion in your class and make a set of rules to put an end to it. Then, present the idea to your whole school. The next step is to create an anti-bullying team so you can end bullying at your school. Bullying is so bad that it can end up with dying and killing others, which shows exactly how serious and bad this is. Remember everything I have taught you today, and you will not be a bully or not be afraid to stand up for yourself. Just be strong. Keep your head up high and do your best to stop bullying once and for all. Remember, blowing out someone's candle doesn't make yours shine any brighter. Thank you. And then for question number 4, this is my time to speak our material. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, who are you in this pandemic? For stay at home, or most painful to be let off from work or laid off? The aspect most affected by this pandemic is the economic sector. Reporting from Census.id, around 1.79 million workers in Indonesia are home. This figure is in accordance with data from the Indonesian Ministry of Manpower of May 27, 2020. This of course worsens the economic of the workers, also the country. So, what can be done to maintain the economic condition of the family? One of them is by starting a business. And the right business today and does not require large capital is the ornamental fish business. Based on the result of the 2013 agricultural survey, the number of fish cultivators reached 12,873 people. And according to them, the turnover of this business increased by 27% during the pandemic. So, why the fish business? In this pandemic, everything must be done on home. And that means we have to track our brains in order to keep making money. One way that can be done is by opening your own business at home. For those of you who don't have more costs, the fish business is the answer. Yep, fish business does not require a large cost and also a good or spacious place. Another reason is that there are still many fish lovers today, so that it will make it easier in terms of marketing. Okay. Next, what are the types of fish to business? Basically, there are 3 types of fisheries. The first is capture fisheries business. Capture fisheries business or business is a serious business activity. Is the fish production through fishing. This can be viewed based on the business sector run by fishermen or people who live in coastal areas or near land waters. The example of this capture fisheries business including catching sardines, tuna fish, pomfret fish, and so on using fishing gear. Okay, the second is cultivation fishery business or aquaculture. Aquaculture fishery business in the fields of aquaculture fishing business or climate. As aquaculture is a business activity that aims to produce fish in a container or maintenance plant, where the terms based on the cultivations place are controlled and profit-oriented. For the example include catfish cultivation, tilapia cultivation, crab cultivation, and pattern cultivation. And for the last is fishery processing business. Fishery processing business itself is a fishery business activity with the primary purpose, namely raising the added value that has been earned by a fishery product. Whether it is the field of fishing business, whether it is aquaculture or fishing business. This business activity also has another purpose, namely to be able to bring fishery products closer to the market. For example, the manufacture of fish-based nuggets, processing fish crackers, making fish meatballs, and so on. And then, what are the tips for starting a fish business? Okay, for the first step is find a fish supplier. And then number 2, determine the type of fish market. And number 3, calculating the capital. Number 4, define sales method. And number 6, processing a large lover fish. And then number 7, calculate revenue. And then number 8 or the last is define sales targets. So we can see that doing fish business is not that complicated, but not easy too. Everyone can start from home. There are many ways to start the business. I can say that it all depends on us, depending on whether we want it or not. If you fight for it, you will enjoy the result. Okay, I know it's not easy, but there are no shortcuts. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, maybe this is all the matter for me. If there are many mistakes for me, I apologize seriously. And thank you.